front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. Begin with opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on accessibility features. Now you need to click on senior mode and click on this switcher next to it in order to activate it. As you can see, when I click on home button, easy mode is now on. If you wish to adjust its settings, you can do that over here, like for example, display magnification. If you want to disable easy mode though, you can always do that by selecting the same no blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!